Hey, this is Mike Klijanowicz coming to you from Orchard Crossing. You can see it back here over in Perry Hall, Maryland. We're down the street from Moore's Orchard. This community has semi-detached homes, villa-style homes, about 40 of them. Most of them are about 3,200 square foot. Some have 4 bedrooms, some have 3 bedrooms with a loft, and they're priced anywhere around 525 to 550. Just to give you an idea, Chapel Hill Elementary School is right up the street up here, and it's ideally located very close to I-95 and all major access routes as well. I actually used to live in this community, so it's kind of near and dear to my heart. I liked it a lot. We built the house in here on Myers Orchard Way years ago. Now I moved up to Falston, so I live in Falston in Harford County, and I've been in real estate since 2005. So I've been in for a long time, seen every kind of market that there is. I've sold about 950 homes, and for about 350 million worth of sales volume total. So if you are thinking about buying or selling a home, whether it be in the Perry Hall area or an area around Perry Hall area, give me a call, shoot me a text on my direct cell, which is 410-236-3331. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye.